Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock with Design Build Solutions, bringing you a bonus tip today, number 87, why I like to use wall material regions for tile showers. So looking at this dollhouse view, it looks all right, correct? Let's take a wall elevation. I want to quickly show that there is no tile underneath this pan. And the great way is that with the wall material region, I can just pull this right up instead of covering this with Chief Architect Whiteout, say outline this space and do a polyline that's a solid white fill. I can click on this material region and pull it right up to the edge of my shower pan, like so. Well, why is it still tile? That's because, inadvertently somehow, this wall, the drywall itself, has been painted with the tile texture. So if I pull the top of the material down, I also get that subway tile. So let's go back to the dollhouse view and paint this the drywall color, drywall material, back into my elevation, and now you can see why I like to use the wall material region. Number one, the wall material region gives, I've set up a macro giving the area of the region so that my trades can quickly do a takeoff. And number two, I can just pull this bottom edge up and show a solid fill so that it is not showing the tile going below this pan. Let's close this out and update the layout and go to layout. There you have it, a little cleanup with the edges, and I can have a great looking elevation. That's number 87, why I like to use wall material regions for my tile showers. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. Have a great day.